Hey guys, this is a video about pool cleaning. I found myself in a situation where my pool got too much of kind of powdery substance, which I couldn't clean using the regular robot here. That's what I used. As you may have the same. Probably use the sack that is kind of like the bag. Trying to find where I put it. Right here. Yeah, this bag right here, right? And it's pretty coarse. It has the fine stuff go through it. So what I did, I just basically took the sack like this and I put it on the top of here and then zip tied it, right? So, and I wasn't sure it's gonna work, and I just did one round of it, and my original bag didn't bring any, a little bit of a debris, right? But then I put the sock on and put one round on through it, basically 2 minutes. It's pretty nasty. It picked up all kind of things, and specifically the powdery stuff is here too. It's great. The sock's gotta go, obviously, but just a little life hack. It works. I'm gonna continue on it. Enjoy.